So OBI training starts with, there are 3 modules. We'll focus on the reporting part. You can call OBI reporting specialist. There are 3 modules. The module first we'll call logical modeling. Logical modeling using OBI. We'll talk about RPD over here, called repository creation. The second part, of the training would be answer and dashboards. And the third part of the training would be BI publisher. So unlike traditional training, we'll walk you through what is the tool. We'll take the other way around. We'll take the example business problem and we see how to address a business problem using OBI. And therefore we have a couple of business problems in every session. We'll start with the problem and solution. So problem solution approach. We'll also talk about various good practice, the practice which we follow in order to provide solution to our clients. So it's a kind of knowledge sharing rather than traditional training program where we walk you through with the tool, what tool does and all. Naturally, we'll be talking about the tool capabilities and the good practice which tool will be talking about. So there are 3 modules. I'll be taking up data modeling aspects, which is more, which require more experience in data modeling, business data, and dimension modeling aspects. So I would be taking up this. One of my colleague, Hitesh, will be taking up the answer and dashboards. So everybody with a special skill set is taking up the session. BI publisher, it's me and Hitesh. Anyone would be take up depends upon the availability and the plan we design. So the total duration of the program would be 40 hours. If you talk about business domain, it is one should be knowing in which which domain, how the tool works in different domains. It has a different behavior. So taking a business problem and solving it takes you more close to the real life problem. So we are specialized into finance. We are specialized into finance and procurement. Procurement and finance, this is one of the super specialization area. However, we also talk about sales data model. So in the beginning, we'll start with the basic data model. I cannot show you data model with 50 dimension, which will divert, will have a different path. So we digress the path. We'll focus on the area like data modeling. It may be a small scale or a big scale. So business domain, this is the 2 business domain we'll talk about. Learning material, we'll be providing all the learning material, including student guide. There would be a lab guide, practice material, whatever I'll demonstrate in the class, the same thing I'll be showcase to you. So the idea is to whatever I am demonstrating over here in my system, the same thing you should be able to simulate into your environment. And there are plenty of white paper which we publish. You can download from my site. There are some public access. There are for some public access, and some of them are for registered or restricted to students. So white papers in terms of performance gain, in terms of managing the log, user administration, special area called how to series. We have a how to series published for OBI, very popular series in the industry. So every time we address some unusual issues, we block them, and some of them we keep it for our public access, and 70% we keep it with us for our client. So when we bid for a project or walk through our client with the OBI capabilities, we compare OBI with the counterparty product like Cognos, Business Object. We use our specialized knowledge set to showcase what OBI can do and another tool cannot do that. What is the requirement? Prerequisite. There is no specialized prerequisite required for OBI. However, good knowledge of database knowledge recommended. The fundamental knowledge of database is required. You should be knowing what is dimension, what is table, normalization, column, basic knowledge which you study in your college or school life, or maybe as a part of your working. So anybody who works on database or software industry should be possess this knowledge. We'll be talking about data warehousing concept, as we have to cover a lot. The industry is so demanding and we need to cover a lot in very short duration. Therefore, we'll be giving you data warehousing concept as video recorded session. They are pretty nice and very concise. And we'll talk about video recorded session. The complete data warehouse is really very huge. We'll be focusing about the reporting solution in data warehousing, how the complete data warehouse is designed, the layered solution, and we are more biased toward OBI, to be very frank, in data warehousing concept. So what all you require will be covered as a part of data warehousing concept. There will be 3 sessions on data warehousing concept apart from that. Apart from this, if you want to specialize into certain domain, like you want to go into accounts, OBI implementation in finance, is up to you. We can give you a recorded session on accounting fundamentals. So up to your availability and your area of interest, you can go for OBI implementation part. RPD, there would be 18 session on RPD. They will talk about all the various aspects of data modeling issues and solution we'll talk about. So breakup of sessions, there will be 80 session on RPD. It is given in session plan, which I already mentioned across, which I already shared across with you people. Answer and dashboard, which require relatively less intelligence, and you need to have an artistic mind to understand how the information should be present, even if your information is not correct. If you present information in a elegant way and how the business aspects sorry. So we'll talk about this in 15 session, and remaining session would be for BI publisher would have 7 sessions. So the objective of the training is to make you productive. After the training, you should be able to implement OBI and understand how OBI works in various concepts, in various domains. If you walk through all the examples, practice documentation, white papers, if you spare time and could go through all of them, your knowledge is equal to somebody who worked at least 2 years in OBI. So it depends upon you how much time you can spare. Give me a minute. Okay, so this is very brief of it. About the installation, OBI installation, we want you to install, simulate everything in your environment. So OBI 10G and OBI 11G. Data modeling, most of the aspects are same. There are 2 solutions. There are 2 quick solutions. Depends upon you what you want to opt for. OBI 10G installation is quick forward. You can go for like OBI 10G during the RPD learning. This straightforward installation, it will take only 15 minutes. We'll give you recorded session, video recorded session for how to install, and documentation for setting up the OBI server into your environment. Plus there are 2 case studies which I have not mentioned as a part of this. There are 2 case studies which we are going to walk through as a part of learning, called sample sales, re-engineering, and financial reports and dashboard. So there are setting up the practice application so that you can also simulate the real life problem. Another solution, you can go for 11G. We work for 11.115. This is one of the most latest version of 11G. We provide you recorded session, video, and documentation for the same. So depends upon your choice, whatever you want to simulate. Alternatively, if you don't want to kill your time, an installation, you want a ready-made solution, we can also guide you how to set up the pre-built VMware image in local system. So depends upon what is your choice. If you go for pre-built VMware image, this is built on Linux, and the maintenance and administration little higher. You need to pay a little more time, and the system requirements are relatively higher. So you can go for any one of the solution, depends upon your system configuration. You can set up any one of the environment. That's a brief about the training program. Now I'll walk you through with what is OBI and how it is different than traditional reporting tool. See, OBI is a broad term. After Oracle acquired many BI solutions, they term everything as a OBI, called Oracle Business Intelligence. So the area which you are talking about called Oracle Business Intelligence Reporting Solutions. Enterprise Edition Plus is the latest version. So they work on a concept called best of the bread, where they integrated various products of IPN, various products of Siebel, Upstream, Oracle. There are a couple of other products are integrated. So when you say OBI reporting layer, we are talking about. So objective of session, what is OBI? A brief about OBI. When you look at the history of OBI, you get to know how the transition happened, and therefore you understand what are the capabilities of the product. There are some built-in solutions which are legacy from Siebel, Oracle architecture. What makes it so important than all companies are, as a reporting solution, deciding to move towards OBI. We also talk about the various components. One of the beautiful feature of OBI, Oracle roadmap strategy is to use OBI as one common reporting solution across all Oracle products. Maybe you are working in financial world, you are working Oracle E-Business Suite, Siebel, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, S-based solution, Oracle OLAP, any tool you use, the reporting can be done in OBI. That's the beauty of it. Therefore, wherever Oracle implemented, Oracle transactional system EBS, they are recommending their client to go for OBI. So that's one thing that's open up plenty of job opportunities for OBI professionals. Okay, it's a reporting solution. So traditional